Well, you might not believe it given the conditions, but we're currently offshore off Mooloolaba. I've got Point Cartwright behind me and I'm on board Naughty. It's a 2012 Riviera 5800 sport yacht that's now coming to the market. My name is Sam Phillips from Marine Jones and I hope you enjoy the video. Welcome aboard Naughty. She's a 2012 Riviera 5800 sport yacht. The same volume and layout as a 6000 sport yacht for a fraction of the cost. One great design feature of this particular model is the two stairs that run up at either side of the garage door. And it opens up into this expansive entertainers area with a large dinette across the transom and then this L-shaped lounge here, which you can really lay down and look after your anchorage or your guests sitting here at the table. Now make your way in here to the galley that is well equipped and spacious enough for a chef, but designed in a way that the owner can cook and entertain at the same time. Being central and aft with this huge hopper window, you feel a part of the action whilst you're preparing drinks or food or breakfast or anything like that. Take a seat here on the portside dinette, which actually drops down to create another bed as well, and it's adjacent to the pop-up TV. But what it is, it's actually raised up high enough that you can see exactly what the skipper is looking at when you're underway. Now this particular 5800 is a little bit special because it's powered by triple Cummins Zeus drives. Now there's 600 horsepower each engine, which is a total of 1800 horsepower. When these came out of the factory from new, it wasn't uncommon to see them reaching that 35 knot range at wide open. That's pretty impressive for a 60+ foot boat. With this engine package, you get this joystick control here through the SmartCraft system, and that actually gives you Skyhook too, which is Cummins' version of position hold. So right now we're not actually anchored, we're sitting here in Skyhook, so we can continue and film the rest of the boat. Now make your way downstairs here and you can see this big opening here which allows the natural light come in from the windscreen down into this area and giving you a big atrium style feeling. This particular boat is a 3-cabin layout with a lower lounge. So that's 3 cabins, 3 en-suites, a full beam master to the aft, starboard guest cabin with twin singles, and then your VIP forward cabin with its own en-suite. Well guys, that's a wrap. Filming this walkthrough video on a Riviera 5800 sport yacht with triple Cummins Zeus drives, tender garage, hydraulic swim platform, and presenting in excellent condition. My name is Sam Phillips from Marine Jones, and I look forward to welcoming you on board. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.